all are fit and healthy. So students, I am your English ma'am, Urmil Joshi from Arden Progressive School, Lamachor. Students, in our previous video, I have discussed the chapter Words in Alphabetical Order. That was practice worksheet number 1. And today, I am discussing one more chapter, that is the noun, and worksheet number 2. So students, you all know that what is noun. Noun क्या है आप सब जानते हैं. So again I am telling you what is noun. So noun is the name of a person. Noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. So what is noun? Noun is the name of a person, any person. Like for example, Ram. Ram is the name of a person. Ram. And Rohit, also name of a person. So name of a person, and second is name of a place. Place, for example, Delhi, Park. So these are the examples of place. And animal, any animal like lion, cow. These are the examples of animal. And things. Things like pen, car, pencil. These are the examples of things. So when you want to call anything and you want something, so what you will do? You will tell the name. So name of a person, place, animal or thing is called noun. You can say noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. Now, naming words are called nouns. So anything that like this, what is this in my hand? This is a marker. So marker is the name of a thing. ये इस चीज का नाम है, इस वस्तु का नाम है. And me also, my name is Urmil. So Urmil is also a name of a person. I am also a noun. And a city like Mumbai. Mumbai is also the name of a place, particular place. That is also noun. So noun, what is noun? Noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. After that, there are 3 kinds of noun in your syllabus. आपके syllabus में there are 3 kinds of noun. I am telling you what are they. There are 3 kinds of noun. One by one I am explaining you the kinds of noun. 3 kinds of noun. So first is common. C-O-M-M-O-N, common. Common noun. Second is proper noun. And third is abstract noun. Third is abstract noun. So I am explaining you one by one 3 nouns. First is common. Common means in general. So what is the definition of common noun and what is common noun? Common noun is a name of a person, place or thing in general. When we talk about in general, any name of a person, place, animal or thing. तो जब हम general सामान्य रूप से किसी भी व्यक्ति का, वस्तु का, स्थान का नाम लेंगे तो वो होगा आपका common noun. So common noun in general, name of a person, place, animal or thing. For example, teacher. common noun because we are not talking about any particular person. We are not talking about any particular teacher. So, teacher is common noun here. Any teacher can be there. In general, we are saying teacher. Doctor also, we are not telling any particular name to doctor. I am only saying that doctor. So, doctor is also common noun here. So, examples are teacher, doctor, city, river. All are examples of common noun. ये सब common noun के examples हैं. So what is common noun? Common noun is a name of a person, place, animal or thing in general. Now next is proper noun. What is proper noun? Proper noun is a name of a person, place, particular person, particular place, particular animal and particular thing. So particular, name of a particular place, particular person or particular thing. Like, for example, my name is Urmil. So, I am particular name of a person. मैं क्या हूँ? Particular name हूँ. इसलिए proper noun. What is proper noun? Proper noun is a particular name of a person, particular place and particular thing here. Now, if we are talking about Ganga river, so Ganga is also name of a particular river. We are not saying river only, we are giving a particular name to river. For example, city also, if we are talking about Nainital, this is also a name of a particular city. Okay, this is also a name of a particular city. So, these are the examples of proper noun. And last is abstract noun. What is abstract noun? Abstract noun is the name of quality, action or state. Neither we can touch it nor see it, only we can think of that. They all are called abstract nouns. Name of a quality, action or state. For example, kindness. You can't see kindness. Happiness also, you can't see happiness. You can just think of that. Childhood, bravery, sympathy also, दया, किसी के ऊपर दया करना. They all are the examples of abstract nouns. So, there are 3 examples of nouns. Now, I am starting practice worksheet number 2. And I am explaining you questions of this worksheet. This is a revision of noun chapter and you have to do it here in your fair notebook. So, here the first question is question number 1 of this worksheet. Write, sort the following nouns into categories. आपको क्या करना है, ये जो nouns हैं उनको आपको सॉर्ट कर क्या करना है, इनको टेबल में प्लेस करना है. कैटेगरीज by placing them in table. आपको इस टेबल में इनको प्लेस करना है. How you will do? This is the table, common, proper and abstract nouns. This is the table and words and and the words you have to sort. First one is table. So what is table? Table is common, proper or abstract? Table is common noun. We are not talking about any particular table. We are just saying table. So table is common noun. So first you will write table in the column of common noun. आप common noun में से लिखेंगे. Next is teacher. Teacher is also common noun. We are not talking about any particular teacher. So you will write teacher in common noun column. Next is love. What is love? Love is abstract noun. You can just think of love. You can feel love, but you can't see love. That's why love is also abstract noun here. Next is Florida. Name of a city. So you will write the name of the city in proper noun. Next is sadness. Sadness. Sadness is abstract noun. Monday. Monday is the name of a day. So name, particular name you will write in proper noun. Monday. Next is hope. Hope matlab आशा. This is also abstract noun. Dog. Dog is common noun. We are not talking about any particular dog. River. River is also common. Ganga. Now Ganga is a name of a particular river. So you will write Ganga in proper noun. अब आप proper noun में लिखेंगे गंगा. Kolkata. Name of a city, particular. Kolkata. Next is bed. Bed is also common noun. B-E-D, bed. Kite. Kite is also common noun. David. David is the name of a person. So you will write David in proper noun. Freedom. Freedom means azadi. So this is abstract noun. Anger. Feeling. Anger is abstract noun. So like this you will categorize the words in columns or table. Common noun, proper and abstract noun. Like this you will write in your notebook. And you will learn also. After that, our second question is identify the different kinds of noun. I am giving you one sentence and I am asking about the word noun. Which kind is it? वो कौन सा प्रकार है? So what you will do in question 2? Identify the different kinds of noun. Different kinds of noun. आपको आइडेंटिफाई करना है. फर्स्ट सेंटेंस है आपका the book was lying on the table. The book was lying on the table. So now in this sentence, book is which kind of noun? I am giving you hints. Common. Second is B, proper. And third is C, abstract. So which kind of noun it is? It is common noun. So you have to tick like this. Book is common noun in this sentence. Second is animals live kind of noun? Common, proper, or abstract. So which kind of noun animal is? Animal is also a common noun. Okay? Animal is also common. So you will take like this. Third is the childhood of Rohan. The childhood of Rohan was full of misery. So in this sentence, what childhood is? Childhood क्या है यहाँ? Is it common, proper, or abstract? So here, childhood is the stage of life and this is abstract noun. So you will take like this. Childhood, abstract noun here. And the last sentence is, fourth one, Sita was singing a song. Sita was singing a song. So in this sentence, what Sita is which kind of noun? Sita is which kind of noun? Sita is the name of a particular person. So Sita is proper noun here. Sita क्या है यहाँ? Proper noun है. So like this you will take proper noun Sita. So you will take proper noun and you will underline Sita here because we are asking about Sita. Sita is which kind of noun? Sita is proper noun here. So here 4 sentences you have to write in your notebook. First one is the book was lying on the table. So what is book? Which kind of noun it is? It is common noun. Second is animals live in forests. Animal is common noun. Third is the childhood of Rohan was full of misery. So childhood is what childhood? Childhood is the stage of our life. So abstract noun. Last is Sita was singing a song and Sita is proper noun here. So like this you will do your practice worksheet yourself in your fair notebook. So now this chapter is completed and you have to learn this chapter. Hope you all have understood this chapter. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.